I'm so glad you're here. Ever feel like the things that used to work for weight loss suddenly don't? You are eating less, moving more, but the scale wouldn't budge, or worse, it creeps up. So you are doing all the right things, eating less, moving more, and your body isn't responding the way it used to. And I want you to hear this clearly. You are not broken. Your body is simply asking for a new rhythm. Hi, I'm Claudia, a holistic nutritionist and hormone coach, helping women in midlife balance hormone, boost metabolism, and feel stronger, leaner, and confident in their body again. And before we dive in, make sure you stay till the end. I've got something special to help you jumpstart your weight loss with real food, simple habits, and less stress. Today, I want to walk you through why fat loss feels harder in this chapter of life, and the simple shift that helps you feel back in sync again. So let's dive in. So let's start with the why. What's actually going on? So we all heard, first, hormones are changing. So estrogen and progesterone start to drop, and that shift affects more than just your cycle. You might notice more belly fat, stronger cravings, mood swing, and trouble sleeping. So the second thing is your muscle mass, it's decreasing. Decades of dieting and cardio often lead to muscle loss, especially if strength training wasn't part of your fitness routine. So less muscle means a slower metabolism, even if your weight didn't change that much. If you find this video useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more simple tips on hormone health, metabolism, and sustainable weight loss that actually works for women over 50. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support really helps the algorithm grow this channel, and it keeps me motivated to keep showing up with more helpful free content just for you. Third, inflammation starts to build. So gut issue, blood sugar swing, stress, and sleep problems, all of this makes the body feel puffy, tired, and bloated. And finally, your nervous system is overloaded. So constant stress, multitasking, poor sleep keeps your body in fight or flight mode. And in that state, fat loss becomes much harder. So if you are doing all the right things but still feel stuck, this is why. So your body isn't resisting you, it's protecting you. It's time to work with your body instead of against it. And that's what we'll look at next. So there are 3 key areas to focus on if you want to reset your rhythm and get your body back into fat burning mode naturally. So first, how you have to learn how to nourish your body. In midlife, your body needs more proteins, more fiber, and fewer blood sugar crashes. It's not about cutting carbs or starving yourself. It's about building balanced, satisfying meals that support your metabolism and your hormones. So I teach a flexible macro-based method that helps you feel full, energized, and in control with room for real life. So nothing is off the table. So second, we need to learn how to move. So endless cardios and boot camps aren't the answer anymore. So smart strength trainings like 3-4 times per week paired with daily walks and light movements. So muscles, it's your best metabolic ally in midlife. It helps you burn more calories at rest and feel stronger in your body again. And the third point is you need to learn how to recover. Sleep, stress, and rest are not luxury, they are essential. When you are exhausted, wired, and constantly on, your body holds into fat as a protective mechanism. That's why we focus on things like getting consistent sleep, reducing screen time, especially before bed, and even eating a small protein snack before sleep to balance your blood sugar and reduce the nighttime wakes up. These small, consistent steps that we are taking will help you build a rhythm, work with your body, and drop your excess weight. If this all feel a bit overwhelming, I've got you. I created a simple done-for-you online plan called the Midlife Metabolic Reset. This is a 7-day kickstart. It's designed to help you feel better fast without guessing, stressing, or going to extremes. So what is inside? A 7-day macro-based meal plan with a grocery list that can be completed in just one shopping trip, daily checklists for movement, mindset, and metabolism building, short strength training routine, and simple habits to reduce bloat, craving, and help you with gaining more energy. So most ladies sees improvement by day 3, less bloating, better energy, fewer cravings, and a clear head. And from there, it's much easier to build momentum because you are not forcing change. You are flowing with your body's natural rhythm. So if your body's been feeling out of sync, if the scale has been stuck and you are tired of guessing, it's time to try a different approach. So you can click the link in the description below and you can access the 7-day kickstart, the metabolic reset, and you can get started today. And when you do, send me a quick DM and say reset on Instagram so I can cheer you on personally. Although I will be with you in the community, I will be there for you every step of the way. I hope you found these tips helpful, and now, as promised, I have a little something to help you take the next step. Download my free 3-day fat loss reset plan. It's packed with simple hormone-friendly meals, a ready-to-go grocery list, and easy lifestyle tweaks that support fat loss without the stress. This is an easy-to-follow guide that works with your lifestyle and helps you take the first steps towards feeling stronger, leaner, and more confident without cutting out the food you love. Click the link in the description below to grab your free copy and begin your reset today. So you just need the right steps in the right order that actually work with your changing body. So midlife isn't an overwhelming spiral. It's a change to realign, and it starts with a rhythm. So thank you for watching, and I will see you inside the reset.